EOM Business Network. So much for one broadcast.
Hello everybody, it's another very beautiful day and it's so good to have you join us. This is the EOM Business Network. Oh yes, your in-depth report and analysis on the Nigerian economy as it relates with operators of businesses and the evolving markets. I am Elkanah Ogenovo Mowarin. And on today's package of the program, we shall continue with our look at the Nigerian economy. We'll be talking with select industry operators as they take a look at their business as it relates with the operating environment. We have the Managing Director and Chief Executive of BB Agro, the Chief Executive Officer of Richard Infrastructure, as well as the General Manager of Jumac Group Limited. And on the face-to-face is the Chairman and Chief Executive of Wellwall Construction Company Limited, Ambassador Shegu Bamigbeton Baju. It promises to be deep and incisive. Do stay with us. Andy Moka is the Chief Executive Officer of Richard Infrastructure.
Richard Infrastructure is a holding company. We have a 2-in-1 company. We have Richard Infrastructure that performs construction, facility management, and project management. Then we have a wholly owned subsidiary, Property Vault Limited, that is into real estate marketing, development, and management. Currently, we are the construction company building a 10,000 square meter mall in Abuja, okay, somewhere in Life Camp in Abuja. On our real estate marketing platform, we have a fast-growing online platform that is called Property Bank that currently hosts over 10,000 properties on the web with access to being contributed by well over 300 agents in Lagos and Abuja. Today we are making inroad as a local real estate marketing company found online beyond the likes of the earlier brands that have been here. I can tell you that we are running, and recently we just launched a product that is called Rent Actuation, where you can rent now and pay later. The idea is that on the course of marketing and showcasing Property Bank, we found out that people want to move from one location to the other. People want to get their first home. People want to renew their rent, but the challenge has been that they don't have the requisite savings to be able to get whatever they want. Budget has been their challenge, and we're like, okay, fine, how do we mitigate this? When you get 50, 100 requests sometimes, and by the time you show them the properties that are available, they tell you that, look, we don't have this kind of money. Please, can you look for one? Can you reduce it? And we don't have the capacity to reduce it. So, okay, since we don't have the capacity to reduce it, how do we now ameliorate? How do we help you? So we went into partnership with some funding agents. Some are microcredit agencies, some are microfinance banks, some are money deposit banks, some are primary mortgage banks, as the case may be. Okay, today we have about 5-6 funding partners who are currently funding people that have budget deficits to get their houses, and trust me, it's been a fantastic product. Currently we have on a daily basis well over 50 requests coming from people. For our partners who are currently watching and who know what I'm talking about, they disburse on a daily basis 20-30 loans to people who are qualified. You just relocated from Abuja to Port Harcourt, okay, as a result of work or something, marriage, whatever. You need to get a house. You don't need to stay in a hotel, and a house is 3 million naira. You have only 1.5. What happens? You don't have the money. You don't just want to start borrowing from your brother or your sibling. What happens? You run to us. We get you the house. We have people that can give you this property and give you this funding. Spread it for about 11 months for you. It eases your cash flow to be able to do other things and survive.
David, can you answer your phone or turn it off? It's been ringing all day. Whose call are you avoiding like this?
It's my landlord. I've not been able to renew my rent and he increased it.
Is that why you've been moody all day? That's a small thing. Haven't you heard of Property Bank? You can rent now and pay later.
Which one is that again?
Oh yes, paying rent is now easier with Rent Actuation. Say goodbye to difficulty in saving up rent for your dream home. To apply, follow these simple steps. Fill the Rent Actuation form at www.propertybankng.com. An agent will call you immediately, inspect desired property, and move in. Very easy. Rent now, pay later with Property Bank.